Hi, it's Rachel from the Home Ed team. I've popped out, it's still quite early in the morning. This is my first cup of tea of the day. Usually by now I'm on my third, so I'm a little bit tired. My kids are inside playing with a cardboard box, so fingers crossed I can get this done in one take. I just wanted to talk about the question that I keep see popping up, and that, to be honest, has popped up in my brain countless times as well, and that is, where do I start? I think with home ed, it's so exciting, and once you make that decision to do it, there are so many ideas that pop into your head, so many things that you see other people doing, you think that's fantastic, so many ways that you want to take it, but then in reality, when you sit down and try and plan some things out or make some decisions, it's really hard, and that where do I start pops into your head, and it kind of looms over you and gives you a bit of decision paralysis where you just don't know what to do. And the Twinkl website does add to that, because it is quite overwhelming. There are so many resources that, again, it gets you really excited, but then actually sitting down and figuring out what to do can be really hard work. So I just wanted to give one little tip of how you could start if you're really stuck and you think, I don't know what to do. Then I would pick a topic, and it could be a science topic that you want to do, human body, it could be ancient Egyptians, it could be something like pirates, anything at all that your kid likes and that hopefully you like too. And then all you're going to do is create your own little kind of textbook or reading guide to go alongside it. So you'll print off lots of different reading activities that you can read to your children, or if they're older, that they can read with you. And at breakfast time or whenever suits you, whip it out, read the first little bit that you have and talk about it. And from that you'll find lots of things sparked from it. So say if you are reading about the human body and you decided to read about the brain, then you're going to find lots of questions come out of that. And then you might think, what if I build a model of the brain? And so then you can go on Twinkl and you've got a very specific search term that you're going to use to find an activity to do next. Or if you're reading about pirates and you read a pirate poem and you think, that is so much fun, it makes me kind of want to dress up as a pirate, go on, print off some pirate masks, act it out, and then think, oh, let's turn this into a story. Go and find a story frame and print that off and draw it out. And so it will guide you in a more natural, organic way to where you want to go. But you still have that structure to help you know where to start. So practically speaking, I'm just going to share some search terms that you can use. The best place to start is typing in your topic and then the words reading comprehension, and tons of stuff comes up for that, lots of packs. If that's not enough, then type in newsroom, that gives you some real life stories. PowerPoint is great, you can print off slides that will help you, and then you can put in poetry and songs. And lastly, I always type in information, because sometimes display posters come up that are really helpful as well. Put it all together and there's your textbook. This is one that I made. It's Exploring Nature with Children. I've already got the curriculum to tell me what the topics are, so that was really easy to help me do my searches. And so that at the beginning of each week, I can get that out, we can read it over breakfast, maybe do a little craft, and then we're ready for our explore later on. Hopefully that makes sense and is a help, but if you have any other questions, then pop them in the comments below and I will definitely get back to you. Thanks for watching.